Hello and welcome. This is the Spiderweb backdrop die. It's a wonderful cover die set or die, and there is some lovely stitch border detailing, which is fantastic. And this is US A2 in size, so it measures 4¼ inches wide by 5½ inches tall. So how does this look die cut? So here is a really quick example of black against white. So hopefully you can kind of see all of that wonderful detail, the stitch detail. Die cuts beautifully. Another option, just to show you an alternative, is to die cut it out of vellum, and that also has a really neat look to it as well, and you can still see all of that beautiful stitch detail. And then you can put it over, let's say, some pattern paper, or just like this, over some black cardstock. So two sort of different looks. And let me actually show you a card sample where I've used the Spiderweb backdrop die.